Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Football is where we kick off. Jamaica's road to Qatar for the 2022 World Cup hit a speed bump as they lost 2-1 to Mexico at the Azteca Stadium in their opening qualifier on Thursday evening in Mexico City. Simon Preston has the review.
8 years ago, the Reggae Boyz earned a historic point at the Azteca and were looking to at least pick up a draw to commence the World Cup qualifiers. But the way the Mexicans started with high energy, it pegged back the Jamaicans. Jesus Gallardo's 11th minute effort sailed over the bar. The Mexicans thrived on the right side with possession and they whipped in crosses into the box, but the dangerous Argentine-born forward Rogelio Funes Mori, who was unmarked, couldn't find the target with his header in the 25th minute. Another lifeline was given to the Jamaicans. But the first half continued in the Mexicans' favour. Sebastian Cordova also tried from distance, but went wide of goalkeeper Andre Blake in the 37th minute. And speaking of Blake, the Reggae Boyz captain ensured the game went into half-time at 0-0 as he made a few saves. In the second half, the Mexicans were given a little too much space to work with, and they got the breakthrough through Alexis Vega in the 50th minute. Vega was scoring his second international goal for L3. 12 minutes later, Mexico could have made it 2-0, but Roberto Alvarado's effort hit the post. Mexico were made to pay for that as Shamar Nicholson restored parity in the 65th minute. Andre Blake made more brilliant saves to keep Jamaica in the game, but when it looked like the Reggae Boyz were about to leave Mexico with a point, L3 showed why they're the giants of CONCACAF. In minute 89, Henry Martin made it 2-1 to send the Reggae Boyz into disappointment. Defender Damien Lowe is encouraged by the performance despite the result.
But the game all in all, disappointed with the result, but with the performance and what the guys put out there, yes, there's always room for more, but the guys showed character and proud. The guys fought hard, and that's going to separate getting points on the board and qualifying for the World Cup rather than just losing a game or just, buckling and being afraid.
President of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, rues the late goal that Jamaica conceded.
If we had come away with a point, then it would have been a very good result. But very disappointed. I think the players really did well. And like I said, the real sad thing about all of this is that we conceded this very late goal and did not come away with even a single point. But the show goes on.
The Reggae Boyz will be hoping to bounce back to winning ways on Sunday against Panama at the National Stadium. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.